Hey, it's time for another collaboration video, and in this one we're going to do something completely different. It's not your normal etiquette video. We're talking do's and don'ts at the campground, and you're really going to want to watch this one.
All right, welcome back.
So maybe you don't really want to watch this one, but I would encourage you to stay all the way to the end because we do have a bonus don't, and it might be controversial. But anyway, I'm Jerry.
I'm Teresa.
And welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. We are currently at Lamolo Lake, Crater Lake, KOA, down on Lamolo Lake.
In Southern Oregon.
Yeah, in Southern Oregon.
Yeah.
And it has been a wonderful week, but it's been a week where we've got to see a lot of do's and don'ts.
Yeah.
So along with this collaboration, timing is everything. We highly encourage you to check out all these channels that are popping up here because we've all agreed that we're not going to talk about the same stuff in this video. So let's jump right in with our first do, because we don't want to make it all negative.
Do keep your campsite clean. Pick up after yourself. Don't bring a ton of stuff out. Make it look nice.
Yeah, we come out here to get away from the city and whatnot. So you don't have to look like the Clampetts when you go camping. So keep it clean. So don't let your party overflow into the entire campsite. What we've seen, and we're traveling with a group of 3 other RVers, and we share campsites, but we don't let our party spill, and that includes our stuff, our noise, walking through, and and all that stuff. So just kind of keep your party confined to your campsite or sites. And when you're doing that, make reservations so that you're all together, and that way you can alleviate that. Right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Our next do is?
The other do is stay in your campsite, kind of going along with the other one. Every campsite that we've ever really been to has clear lines.
Yeah, and boundaries of where your site is.
Yeah, whether it's bushes or like
logs.
At the KOA, they put logs that separate, along with the little number.
Right.
But again, just stay inside of your campsite. And usually a good rule of thumb is wherever your power pedestal is, that's your left limit. And then your right limit will be wherever the logs or the bushes or whatever is. So we could go all the way to our neighbors, hookups, and then they can go to theirs, etc. So yeah, do stay within your campsite. Okay, so our last don't is if you arrive late, and by late I mean like after quiet hours, don't set up. Just get into your site, get as level as you need to be, maybe pull your slide outs out, and then go to bed, and then set up in the morning. Likewise, if you are leaving early before the quiet period ends, like in the case here, 8 o'clock, so quiet time is from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m.
Yeah.
If you have to leave before 8 a.m., then
get things done the night before.
Yeah.
Don't make all the noise early in the morning.
Yeah, all these hatches and stuff, they just echo and reverberate throughout the campsite. And, people are still trying to sleep and whatnot. So get as much done as you can the night before. And same thing, if you come in late, just worry about it, in the morning. Have a cup of coffee, and then start putting out your lawn furniture and and all that stuff. So anyway, those are 2 do's and 2 don'ts.
2 and 2
of getting out here and enjoying the campground. Okay, so our bonus.
Jerry, what do you do with noisy kids?
Okay, so if you have to beat your kids, do it inside of your trailer. So this is a do and a don't. So do it inside your trailer.
Not outside.
Not outside. That's bad form.
It's bad form.
And if you are going to do it, don't use your hose or that little poker thing that you use to stir the fire. Okay, hey, remember, check out all the other videos that are in this collaboration. I'm sure they're going to be a hit too. They're great people, great videos, and I'm sure they're going to have a different take. And we appreciate each and every one of you spending a little time with us. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Adios. Vaya con Dios.
Auf Wiedersehen.
We're being quiet because it's still early.
No, it's not. It's 9 o'clock.
It's time for everybody to get up. And when Jerry's up, everybody's up.
Yeah, because they can hear him.
All right, bye.